Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 9, verbs. So verb tells us what the subject is sentence is. Okay. Verb tells us what the subject in a sentence is, what it does और what is possess. वो subject जो है sentence में वो क्या करता है और क्या possess करता है. Verb express action, being and position. क्या express करता है? Action express करता है. Azhar is a boy. Is a boy. Is a verb. I eat an apple every day. Eat क्या है? Action है. Shalini has a red dress. Has क्या है? Position है. So keep in mind always that verbs are the most important part of a sentence. Sentence का जो important part होता है वो है verb. In fact we cannot form a sentence without verb. हम कोई भी sentence verb के बिना form ही नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि Ram to go, Ram to the market is not a sentence. Ram is going to the market is a sentence, right? So a verb is a sentence may be formed in a different ways. So a verb in a sentence may be formed in a different ways. जैसे कि Sandhya sat on a chair, one word. Raj is sitting on a stool, two words. Parizar will be sitting on the sofa, three words. So underline the verbs in the following sentence. Write 1, 2 or 3 for the number of words the verbs are made of. Rafat and Maria are going to the library. Okay. Are going is the what it is? It's a completing the sentence. So going to the library. Going. So only one verb is there. So ऐसा आपको numbers यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Verbs that express actions. Verbs like to go, sit, stand, talk, walk, etc. Express actions. Go to the market. Ali walks 4 kilometers every day. Please sit down. So here there is a match the actions to the animals that can do them. Tiger roars, rabbit hops. तो आपको उनके actions को match करने हैं. Verbs that denote being. The word am, is, are, was, were, being and being are different forms of verb be. They tells us what a person or a thing is. Generally these verbs are used with other actions, words in a sentences, but they can act as the same verbs too. जैसे कि I am reading. Reading is the main verb, am is the helping verb. He is an accountant is the main verb. यहाँ पे helping verb भी होते हैं, main verb भी होता है. ठीक है. So जैसे कि choose the correct verb for the sentences given below. Write whether they are main verbs or helping verbs. Mr. and Mrs. Ahuja were here yesterday. तो word जो है क्या है? helping verb है कि main verb है? main verb है ना? क्या लगता है आपको? Are you confirm? तो आपको आंसर लिखना है. ठीक है. आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इट मीन. सो बाकी के आंसर्स यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. Verbs that denote belonging. The verbs has, have and had show belonging or possession when used as the main verbs. I have a new toy. She has a younger brother. So always keep in mind that the verb have also means to eat or to experience. He has 7 almonds every morning. We had a great time yesterday. So take the correct verb from the following sentence. A school library dash the latest book. Have. So have is the correct verb. So accordingly all these 4 you have to do it. Subject verb agreement. Every sentence has a subject and a verb. The subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in the number. Look at the following example. The market, singular subject. Stays, singular verb. Open all night. In the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should be also singular. जब कोई सेंटेंस सिंगुलर है, सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है, तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होना चाहिए. वॉर्म wriggles in water. Rain is coming out of the room. Sorry, Rani is coming out of the room. So filling the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Rani enjoys dancing. Her friends enjoy watching her. Okay, so accordingly you have to write down the answers. Rewrite the sentences using plural subjects. Make other necessary changes well. So ये जो plural सभी जो हैं, and then फिर in the following sentence subject and the verb do not agree. Rewrite them correctly. ये चीज़ आपका homework है. You have to do it. That is your homework. So chapter number 10, adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns or pronouns. Adjective remains the same for the singular and plural nouns or pronouns. Fred lost his favorite pen. He lost his favorite pencils too. So ये जो है adjectives है, singular में and plural nouns में क्या रहते हैं, same रहते हैं. जैसे कि look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives from those given below. Rajat went for a walk on a rainy day. The tree near my house is dry. Okay, बाकी का आंसर्स आपको लिखना है. Filling the blanks with the appropriate adjectives from those given in the brackets. The dash, the naughty puppy hid behind the flower pot. Mr. Menon hurt his right leg in a car accident. बाकी का you have to write it down. Filling the blanks with the opposites of the adjectives printed in the red in the following sentences. Find the opposites among the words given below. यहाँ पे जो printed दिया है red, उसके opposite यहाँ पे है script में. So उसका form find करना है, लिखना है. My knife is sharp, but yours is tame. At parties I like to dress in black and white clothes. Okay, so ऐसे आपको आंसर्स लिखने हैं. Complete the following phrases using suitable nouns. A soft आपको complete करने का है. Nouns ढूंढ के ये suitable चीज़ है. A cotton is very, a soft cotton ball. ऐसे मतलब आपको सुटेबल नाउन का आपको ढूंढना होगा. ओके, जैसे कि अ सॉफ्ट और रैबिट्स हेयर, rabbits have a soft hair. Rabbits have a soft hair. It's an interesting book. It's an interesting book. We had gone on a long ride. तो लास्ट वाला अभी खुद से आपको लिखना है. ओके.